Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your watch history on Hulu. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Hulu, and for some reason, you're planning to watch a series that you're supposed to be watching with your family member or friends. How do you actually go ahead and remove your watch history? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Hulu. Now, this is just one of the ways to do it, but go ahead and scroll until you find your continue watching list. Highlight the show which you want to go ahead and remove the watch history for. Then click on this X button that says remove. And what this is going to do is that it's going to remove this particular show from your watch history. So you won't see this show and keep watching, and your watch progress will be reset. Afterwards, click on OK. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove your watch history on Hulu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.